Welcome, welcome, welcome to another episode of Late Night Shenanigans with your girl, Michelle. Oh my goodness. So tonight, I had so much fun making the last geode, so I want to do another one. So tonight, that's exactly what we're going to do. And I kind of already have my glass already arranged on the board the way I want to do it. So what happened was, so I had fun shopping on Amazon, and I found some really gorgeous pieces. So I love amethyst. It's my birthstone. It's like my thing. I absolutely love amethyst. And so I found this at, I think it was Hobby Lobby. So this is what I found here. This is actual amethyst, little amethyst rocks and stuff. So I love this so much. And I was like, oh my goodness, I can do something really cool with this. So then I started thinking, oh my goodness, I need to find some other amethyst pieces. So I went ahead and I put some of those larger pieces already. I kind of placed them in my geode piece right here. So these are some of the larger pieces in the middle. And then I needed to find some other smaller pieces. So I found this on Amazon. So what it is, it's a deep purple crushed glass, and it's so cool. Like, it's so cool. It matches perfectly with my amethyst. And so I was like, oh wow, perfect, right? And then I wanted to have like some clear glass surrounding it. So I got this twinkling, and it's kind of cool. It's small. I wanted to kind of test this glass out, and it's really pretty. So I was like, okay, I could do this. I've been hearing everyone talk about this fire glass, and I went ahead and I ordered some, and I got it in, and it is huge, let me tell you. Okay, really huge. Let me show you what this looks like. Hold on, let me get it for you. So I got like a 10-pound thing, and so here it is. This is the one that everyone talks about. Everybody talks about this celestial fire glass, and I know why they're talking about it, because it's so pretty. So what I did, I was gonna use some of this, but oh my goodness, I got the smallest one, but these are so big, right? Look at the size of this glass. It's so big compared to like this other one, right? So I was like, oh, that's not gonna be cool, because this glass is like humongous. Maybe I could put like maybe a couple pieces, but this glass is humongous. And so, the smaller pieces seem to like do the trick. So I would use this sparingly, unless I had like a piece where I was introducing this large glass. So, so I'm not, we're gonna, maybe I might use just a couple of chunks of it, but this glass is huge. And unless I was kind of like starting off with this, yeah, I'm gonna put this one away, but I can't wait to play with it. So I'm just gonna get just a couple of pieces, but this is big. This is really big. So anyways, so shout out to all the folks who use this glass. It's amazing, but I'm gonna use something that has a little bit smaller footprint. Like, so this little twinkly stuff is perfect. So anyways, I went ahead and I mixed up my resin. I already have my clear resin already mixed here. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead and start to drizzle that. I wanted to do some really beautiful colors. So look at what we got going on here. Oh my gosh, look at this, right? And it's almost an exact color. It's almost an exact color to the purple glass. So gorge. Okay, but oh my God, look at this. Yes, I know, right? Oh my God, you have to see this up close. You have to see this up close. Look, at that. It is so gorgeous. I can't wait to play with that. And then I have this, which is sort of a lavender color, really pretty lavender. And then I have this color, which is silver. This is going to be the color that I'm going to put around my glass and stuff like that. I kind of want it to be a little bit more silver than this, but you know, the jury's still out. We'll see. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So all I'm doing now is drizzling the resin onto the glass so it'll have something to stick to. So I'm trying to keep my frame clean. Okay, now I've mixed my resin and it's been, I know my resin has a working time of 45 minutes. I mixed it. It's been about 30 to 40 minutes. So I need to like really get cracking here. But it seems to be doing okay. All right. So I'm going to start off first with the silver. I'm going to go in around the white glass with the silver. Check this out, right? I want that to be like more silver. So let me see what I could do here. Okay, so I found some glitter and I got these at the Dollar Tree. Okay, I got these at the Dollar Tree. And I'm really looking at like this really silver one. So I got a couple of them. So let's see if we can make this silver more silver. Ooh, oh wow. I mean, it's still giving the same color. Let me see if I can mix it in a little bit more. So there's a gunmetal one that I can add to it to see if maybe I could get it a little bit more striking. The gloves are sticky with resin, so I think it was a good idea. All right, so this is a gunmetal or hematite looking color I'm adding to it. I just want it to be striking. I just, you know. Well, didn't really change the color that much. It just made the resin super thick, which could kind of help me because I kind of don't want the colors to mix too much once I lay it down. So that could help me. And I'm running out of working time, so I got to start laying this down. But it's pretty. It's pretty. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and put this color down. Wow, this is thick. This is thicker than I thought it was gonna be. So the next color I'm gonna add is this pretty glossy color. Somehow I'm thinking it should have white in it, you know, because it's kind of translucent. I'm probably gonna regret that, but let's see. And if there's anything that I've learned is that, you know, art just kind of does what it does. And And that's a beautiful thing. Okay, so now in the negative space, I'm gonna use this lavender color. So this was a mica powder that I used. I got this from Dollar Tree too. This was the silver that I used. And this is a gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It's a red, purple, blue shift. You know, that's that beautiful mermaid color. And then this is that deep purple. I can't wait to use that. But I just used mica powders. And then I added some casting craft white to this lavender to kind of make it a little bit more lavender. So, oh, this is gonna be beautiful. As a matter of fact, I could probably put a big chunk of white in the middle. White, what you call it? White glass right in the middle. These glass chunks are huge. So now I'm gonna put some little glass over the big one. Now I'm just gonna drizzle some clear to kind of hold this in place. Okay, it's the next day. I went ahead and I covered my piece and look. Oh, I know, I did a lot. I did a lot since you were here. But basically, I was feeling some kind of way and I decided, oh, let me just put some extra glass here. So I did. I put some extra glass around the edges here to try to create a dam so that it wouldn't go over, but some of the pieces are still loose, so I have to go back over with some clear resin to kind of drizzle and secure some of these loose pieces. So here you can see some of the pieces are a little bit on the loose side, but you know, it's for the most part, most of it is locked down. So all I got to do is go over this one more time with a little clear resin. But what I decided to do was to get my silver pen, and here, let me show you what I did. So I took my silver pen and went around the geode piece here with my silver pen, and I put in some of those lines. After it created a really nice like marbled look, which I absolutely adore. And so now all I have to do is go back over, drizzle a little bit more resin to secure some of these loose pieces. I don't want to turn it over because there are quite a bit, because afterwards I got like, you know, I wanted to put more stuff. So originally I put this little island in the middle, and then I kind of built up that little island in the middle, and then I put some more purple around it. But I am loving the line work. Here, let's give you another look. Loving the line work on this piece. I don't want to turn it too much because some of the pieces I can see are moving, but loving that. So I'll drizzle a little bit more just to secure some of these loose pieces, and put a nice little thin clear coat on the top so I can kind of seal in this silver that I kind of put all the way around and seal in my little lines. And then this piece is done. So I'm going to show you, I have an amethyst collection, a large amethyst collection. I'm going to show you a couple of pieces of amethyst, and to tell you why this is giving me so much joy. So I went over to my set and I brought over just a few pieces. Now this is a beautiful piece. It's polished on the side. And what I was trying to do with the grays and the silvers was to try to mimic this on an actual natural amethyst. So you can see what that looks like. And so here's the geode, the stone, and then this is polished, but you know, it's still absolutely gorgeous. And then here's another piece. Here's another piece where you can see the outer part of the amethyst, right? And part of the geode, but you can see how beautiful this is all. It's just imperfect in a perfect way. And so even though these are a little bit deeper than the actual amethyst that I have, I think I did pretty good. I think I did pretty good. I have so many other amethyst pieces, and I think this will be a welcome, you know, a really welcome piece to my collection. So, but anyways, I'm super happy with this, and I'm gonna do some more finishing touches to it, to frame it and all kinds of stuff. So I'm really happy with it. What do you think?